Quickly come up with the designs, especially for that flyover. Yeah. We want to shame the devil because they are talking of a lot of things around. Oh, it's just a promise. We want to make it a reality. And I'm happy that the top most leadership of the ministry, they are here. Therefore, for our people, we're going to work. We will continue going to State House if there is more work to be done. If there is more money, we'll go. Because finally you'll ask us, what did you do when others were getting into all these projects? I know it's not easy. Everything takes longer than we expect. But we will be there at the right time. Otherwise, thank you. Engineers, nataka nishukuru, asanteni sana. And to do everything to pit around. Ambia President, stadium walikuwa amepromise, ameniambia this week again they'll come. Na watu wa Agricultural Show of Kenya, they are coming. I want to show them where they are supposed to relocate to. Again, Nyantrago, the team was here on Friday. We are giving them 50 acres ya ku-locate the prison. Those are the things. Hata sisi ni wa Kenya, kama wa Kenya wengine wale wengine. Tutaendelea kujienjoy kwa wakati huo. Ama namna gani? Hivyo namna hiyo. Asanteni, Mungu awabariki.
What leadership from this place went to see the president on Thursday, and the president gave a promise to do some infrastructure roads around this area, and he gave instructions to our CS, Cabinet Secretary Chirichiri, on what to do. For us, Kura, we are working here in Kisii. We are doing a maintenance of roads and other roads. We are now adding an additional 5 kilometers. We have seen part of the roads as the governor has said. And don't tell the governor, the dream is a reality now. For us, we have been instructed to come down here, scope the works, do the designs. We take back to our CS. We are going to be funded and start work. So we are hoping that in the next couple of months, we will start doing those works where we have identified. So it's a promise that what the president has said is going to be done. It's going to be done. It's already a directive from the president, and we have no option but to do it. Thank you very much.
I think it's DG. I think as you have heard this directive from the president that we need to sort out the congestion within this town. So tumekuja hapa siku ya leo tuangalie wenyewe. Tuangalie so that tukiwa Nairobi tayari tuko na ile picha ambayo tunafaa kufanya ili tusuluhishe mambo ya congestion kwa hii town. Waziri angekuja, nimepata shughuli kidogo, lakini the president mwenyewe amesema lazima tufike. Anashukuru governor. Ndio umetupeleka round. Hii shida ya Kisii town tutasuluhisha. We have seen and we will get a solution for the problems around here. That is why the whole team from this region, Nyanza region, who work with Kera, Kura and Kena here, wote wako hapa. So atuongee tu mambo ya kuongea, hii ni kazi tunaenda kufanya.
Thank the Director General Kena, Kura and the engineers who came from Nairobi. They flew in after we discussed with the President the other day, on Thursday. Yes. And today is on Saturday, showing the seriousness that the President, what he promised as in terms of the road network in Kisii, he was serious. There are those ones who have been saying, oh, it's just promises. There is no promise. The Director General Kena has come to check how possible we can sort out the issue of the interchange at Darajambili. Therefore, we have driven through that place. We have suggested that if it's possible, there will be a flyover running all through the river to Kisii School. Then we went round with Director General Kura, Engineer Mugambi, We've gone all the way through Bobaracho, Minyinkwa, Itirio, then back to Nyanchwa area, where again the president gave us 5 kilometers of road there. And the engineer has seen some of the roads which have collapsed. He has instructed his team in the region. We have realized that there is good work to be done. Therefore, I want to thank the two DGs for joining with us. Hopefully, we'll be able to realize this dream soon than later.
I know Kisii tuko na shida because the main road through town is difficult. The reason why it was not done is because of the corridor. When we did the Sirare corridor, the fact that the dual carriageway was to come all the way from the junction to Daracha Moja.
Yes.
But the problem of encroachment could not make it possible. And so the bypass was done, the one behind, from Daracha Moja to Nyagururu. But still, that bypass is not serving much. You know, it's really like a street. So we need to identify some kind of bypasses to bypass the town. One, to relieve the town of some traffic. And that is the road we are talking about, Bobaracho Menyungo to Suneka. We improve it properly so that it can carry through traffic. You know, initially it was done as a street, but now we can do it with the insight that it's going to carry through traffic. That does not need to stop in town, going to Rongo, Migori, Sabani. But two, the one going to Kisumu, traffic bound for Kisumu or coming from Kisumu that does not have to come to town, we need to get a way of bypassing the town. Of course, in addition to improving the road network in town, bypassing. And one of the roads I'm thinking is Getare to Nyakoi. It's a very important link, more like the southern bypass in Nairobi. That one, we do it to proper standards, a dual carriageway. In fact, we are discussing, you can do it to a dual carriageway to carry through traffic. You come to Daracha Moja, go to Getare, it's about 2 kilometers from Daracha Moja. Then you hit that one, get to Nyakoi. If you are through,
is that tutengeneze hiyo flyover itakuwa ni mzuri, but hiyo ya Kitare hata kama tutatengeneza hiyo jam tu itakuja town. Tusipofungua hiyo ya Nyakoe Getare
Nyakoi to Getare.
Getare, then something towards Bobaracho table.
Yeah. Those was actually like that one. We do it as a dual carriageway, and even you see this portion here, Getare is here. It's 2 kilometers. We dual all this, and probably up to around the Kisii school. We start dualing from Kisii school, dual all the way to Nyakoi.